Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, without kneading dough, you can prepare it within minutes. I want to share with you a practical and delicious crepe pizza recipe. Place 2 eggs into a mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add them and blend until you get a smooth consistency. You can also mix it with a mixer or a whisk. Then, lightly sprinkle water on the large baking tray so the parchment paper doesn't slip. Place the parchment paper and pour the crepe batter on top. Spread it evenly. Sprinkle grated cheese as much as you like on top. At this stage, you can use any toppings you like on the pizza in any amount you prefer. I sprinkled some small diced sausages, added some canned or frozen corn, also some small diced sucuk, Turkish sausage. Finely chopped green peppers. And also peeled and small diced tomatoes. Finally, sprinkle some more grated cheese on top. As I said, you can use any ingredients you like. I also sprinkled a bit of red pepper powder on top. Then, bake it in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius until the top is slightly browned. The baking time may vary from oven to oven. In my oven, it took about half an hour. Take the crepe pizza out of the oven. Cut it into slices and serve it hot. As you can see in the video, with its easy preparation, amazing appearance and delicious taste, I'm sure you will love this crepe pizza when you try it. Especially those who will try it. I'm waiting for your comments. You can support me with your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you for watching.